Look up just before sunrise on Monday, August 25th, 2025. A rare six-planet parade is unfolding. 6 planets will appear together in the pre-dawn sky, a cosmic spectacle you won't want to miss. Mercury, the smallest and swiftest planet, is the star of the show. This is your best chance to spot it before it disappears into the sun's glare for months. With no moon to wash out the view, the sky will be perfectly dark, letting even the faintest planets shine. Venus and Jupiter will be brilliant and easy to find, while Mercury will be a fleeting, precious sight low on the horizon. The absence of the moon creates ideal conditions for both beginners and seasoned sky watchers. Set your alarm and step outside. This is more than just stargazing. It's a rare alignment of worlds. For a brief moment, the planets' paths align, offering a glimpse into the grand mechanics of our solar system. Don't miss this celestial invitation. 6 planets, 1 unforgettable morning. You might hear planetary alignment, but that's not quite right. These planets aren't in a perfect line in space. Instead, a planet parade is a visual effect. From Earth, several planets appear to line up along the ecliptic, our solar system's orbital plane. Imagine cars on a racetrack. Earth is one car, and the others are spread out, visible from our window as a graceful arc. This morning, 6 planets are scattered across the inner solar system, but from our view, they form a stunning procession. It's a rare coincidence of timing and orbital paths, a reminder of the solar system's dynamic beauty. When you look up, you're seeing the ecliptic traced by planetary beacons, not a physical alignment. Understanding this makes the spectacle even more meaningful, connecting us to the true structure of our cosmic neighborhood. The planet parade is a living lesson in astronomy, written in light across the dawn sky. This morning's parade features 6 unique worlds, each with its own story. Venus and Jupiter will be the brightest, no telescope needed, just look east for their dazzling glow. Saturn, fainter and higher in the southwest, shines with a steady yellowish light. Mercury, the elusive guest of honor, will be a tiny point low on the eastern horizon. Catch it before sunrise. Uranus and Neptune, the distant ice giants, require binoculars or a telescope to spot their faint blue-green dots. Use a stargazing app to help pinpoint their locations between Jupiter, Saturn, and further west. Beginners can enjoy Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, and maybe Mercury. Dedicated observers can hunt for Uranus and Neptune. Each planet is a world of its own, offering a tour of our solar system's diversity in a single morning. Let the parade inspire you to discover more about these distant neighbors. Timing is crucial. Head outside about an hour before sunrise for the best view. Mercury is the most time-sensitive. Look for it roughly 45 minutes before sunrise, low on the eastern horizon. Choose a spot with a clear, unobstructed view east. Fields, hills, or shorelines are ideal. Avoid city lights. Darkness will help you see even the faintest planets. No fancy gear needed. Your eyes are enough for Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, and possibly Mercury. Binoculars will enhance the view and are essential for Uranus and Neptune. If you have a telescope, use it to spot Jupiter's moons or Saturn's rings for an unforgettable experience. The key is to be present and look up. Let the wonder of the cosmos unfold before you. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned astronomer, this parade is for everyone. Enjoy the show. These moments are rare. The 6-planet parade is just the beginning. More celestial events are on the way. In September 2025, watch for a total lunar eclipse on the 7th, turning the moon a deep red over Asia, Africa, and Western Australia. On September 19th, Venus will shine near the star Regulus, joined by a crescent moon for a stunning trio. September 21st brings a partial solar eclipse over the Pacific and Saturn at its brightest, visible all night. The sky is always changing, offering new wonders for those who look up. Let this morning's parade spark your curiosity. Download a stargazing app, learn a constellation, and step outside often. The universe is full of surprises, from planetary parades to eclipses and beyond. Keep looking up. The next cosmic show is never far away.